So today we are going to create username in WhatsApp. So go to setting and we are in setting and then you see account option. So click on account option. So we are in account option and then you see multiple option. Now you see username. So click on username. So we are going to create WhatsApp username and then you see reserve username. Usernames are coming soon. Reserve yours today. Your username will keep your phone number private from people who don't already know it. Now you see create username. If you want you can use Instagram username. If you want you can use Facebook username. So click on it. So we are going to create username. So click on create username button and then you see reserve username. So you can add username according to requirement. Now you see we add it and then you see this username is not available. So we are going to add another and then you see this username is available and then click on save. Now you see you reserved username. Soon you can share your username instead of your phone number when connecting with someone for the first time. Also you see contact me by username everyone. So you can change this setting according to requirement. And then you see contact me by username everyone. Another option is people who know my key. So you can select option according to requirement.